Hello everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how to write a waiter or waitress job application letter. If you're applying for a position in the food service industry, whether at a restaurant, diner, or cafe, having a well-written and professional letter can help you stand out from other applicants. Working as a waiter or waitress isn't just about taking orders and serving food. It's about providing great customer service, handling busy shifts, and making sure guests have a positive dining experience. Employers want to see that you have the right mix of skills, experience, and enthusiasm for the role. So, in this video, we'll go through each part of the letter, explaining what to write, why it's important, and how to personalize it for your own job application. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to write a strong and professional letter that increases your chances of getting hired. Let's get started. Step 1. Your contact information. At the top of your letter, you should always include your contact details. Here's how it looks in our sample letter. Emily Carter, 4592 Willowbrook Lane, San Diego, California, 92115, 619. 555-7621. Emily.carter@example.com. This section is simple, but it's important because it ensures the employer can easily contact you. Start with your full name so they know who the letter is from. Next, add your address. Even if you're applying online, including your address makes your letter look more professional. Your phone number should be accurate and up to date so they can call you for an interview. Your email address should be professional. Avoid casual or unprofessional emails like coolwaitress97@email.com. Instead, use something like firstname.lastname@email.com. This section should always be at the top of your letter, so the employer has your details right away. Step 2. Adding the date. The next step is adding the date when you're writing the letter. In our example, we have March 30th, 2025. Always write the full date in the month, day, year format. This helps keep your letter professional and organized, showing the employer when you submitted your application. Step 3. Employer's contact information. Now, we need to address the letter to the right person or department. Our example includes Hiring Manager, Sunset Diner, 1024 Ocean View Boulevard, San Diego, California, 92109. This section is crucial because it ensures your letter reaches the right person. If you know the hiring manager's name, it's best to use it. For example, Dear Mr. Johnson. If you don't know their name, hiring manager is a good alternative. Always include the restaurant's name and full address. This step adds professionalism to your letter and shows that you're serious about the job. Step 4. Writing the subject line. A subject line helps the employer quickly understand what your letter is about. In our example, we write, Subject, Application for Waitress Position. Your subject line should always be clear and direct. Mention the exact position you're applying for. Short and professional. No need for extra words. Specific. If the job posting has a reference number, you can include it. Step 5. The salutation. Now, let's move to the greeting or salutation. In our sample, we use Dear Hiring Manager. This is a polite and professional way to start your letter. If you know the name of the person hiring, use it. For example, Dear Mr. Johnson, Dear Ms. Taylor. If you don't know their name, Dear Hiring Manager works just fine. Step 6. Writing the opening paragraph. Introducing yourself. Now, let's start the main body of the letter. Our sample begins with, I am excited to apply for the waitress position at Sunset Diner. With over 3 years of experience in the food service industry, I have developed strong customer service skills, the ability to work efficiently in fast-paced environments, and a dedication to ensuring an excellent dining experience for every guest. Let's break this down. The first sentence clearly states the job title and company name. This tells the employer exactly what position you're applying for. The second sentence highlights key qualifications, customer service, handling busy environments, and ensuring guest satisfaction. These are important skills for any waiter or waitress. Keep this short and engaging while making it clear that you're a strong candidate. Step 7. Highlighting your skills and experience. The second paragraph goes into more detail about your experience and skills. In my previous role at Pacific Grill, I was responsible for taking orders, serving food and beverages, and providing friendly and attentive service. I consistently received positive feedback from customers and management for my ability to handle multiple tables while maintaining a welcoming and professional demeanor. My experience with point-of-sale systems and knowledge of food safety regulations further contribute to my ability to perform effectively in this role. Let's break this down. Mention your previous job and the key responsibilities you had. Highlight customer feedback or recognition. This shows that you're great at what you do. Talk about technical skills, like point-of-sale systems, used for processing orders and payments, and food safety regulations. Step 8. Showing enthusiasm and teamwork. Next, we highlight soft skills and personality traits. I thrive in team-oriented settings and enjoy creating a positive atmosphere for both guests and colleagues. I am eager to bring my enthusiasm and strong work ethic to Sunset Diner, and I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my skills can benefit your team. Mention teamwork. Restaurants require strong collaboration. Show enthusiasm. Employers want to hire someone excited about the job. End with an invitation to discuss your skills in an interview. Step 9. Closing the letter professionally. Now we wrap up the letter. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to the possibility of an interview. Please feel free to contact me at your convenience. Thank them for reading your letter. Express interest in an interview. Invite them to reach out. This encourages a response. Step 10. The closing and signature. Finally, end your letter properly. Sincerely, Emily Carter. Use a professional closing. Sincerely. Best regards. Respectfully. Sign your name. This makes the letter feel personal. And that's how you write a waiter or waitress job application letter. If this tutorial helped you, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching Writing Tutorials. See you in the next video.